Indonesia needs a resilient, creative research generation ready to face future challenges. Here they are, Indonesia's innovation research talents, part of BRIN's talent management program.
My name is Bertram Turner. I'm an anthropologist. I'm based at the Max Planck Institute for Social Anthropology in Halle in Germany, and I'm affiliated to the Department Law and Anthropology. So I'm an anthropologist who is interested in the social study of law.
They are conducting various research projects, addressing the nation's key issues.
Together with my old friend and colleague Park Fajar, I am doing research here in the field of multi-species normativity with very specific focus on rights of nature and legal personhood of natural entities. So this field of research is comparatively new, and there is a global debate about it. The background of this debate is actually the challenges of the Anthropocene. So one aspect is, or one argument in this context is, if law is helpful in facing the problems, the challenges of the Anthropocene, we have to radically think anew about the way law is constituted.
Why did they choose the talent management program?
It's, not that unfamiliar to people who are used to work in an international framework. It's fortunately for people like me also a strand to follow up in English. But let me say the most important aspect is do it with the support of your friends. This is the most important point. There are always some certain steps and hurdles that are specific to each single institution on the globe, of course. So it's always good to have somebody who takes you by the hand and navigates you through the process.
Their journey began with administrative selection, followed by a rigorous review of their expertise and research proposals by expert reviewers.
We engaged in quite a number of discussions, and the main ambition is, of course, to come to scientific results. So we are writing together a publication, and the groundwork has been laid during these 3 months. There is now a more or less substantial draft already there, so we can say we did what we have promised to do. This is one strand. The other one is during my stay here, I also profited from the situation in order to get in touch with many colleagues here. And so we engaged in many informal discussions, but also in a number of more official events. All in all, maybe I gave more or less 3 or 4 public lectures, presentations. I profited from the environment to also get informed on other occasions about the research projects within the More Than Human Lab. And I also came in touch with colleagues from abroad, from other institutions that are also in cooperation and collaboration with BRIN. And so we also attended workshops that have been organized by other colleagues and had interesting debates and discussions on occasion of workshops with colleagues from actually all over the place. All the 3 months I really enjoyed working here, and I had my place at the co-working space and liked the atmosphere, the relaxed atmosphere, being there and working among colleagues. But if I'm asked what the most impressive moments of my stay here have been, that was surely the excursions I took together with my friend Fajar. So these excursions produced memorable moments, collecting data together, so laying the groundwork for our theoretical considerations. That was really exciting, and I will never forget these moments. Quite often my friends laughed at it and say, do you know what? You have to learn to do it the Indonesian way, which in terms of advice for future generations of researchers coming here would mean Be always aware of the unexpected. Be flexible and be spontaneous in the way you are dealing with institutional challenges. This is what I learned from my Indonesian colleagues. It puts you in a very comfortable situation. Connect with colleagues at BRIN and set up your project. I only can recommend it.
Every research begins with curiosity. Every great researcher once started with a single step. Together with BRIN, these talents are walking their path, with passion, perseverance, and collaboration. Now it's your turn, BRIN friends. Be a part of Indonesia's research and innovation ecosystem.